Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Am I audible to you? Just let me know if the audio video is it clear? Let me know traders if audio video is clear from my end. All right. Those who have joined the live stream, support the channel traders by liking the live stream. Now, first for BTC, liquidation heat map is what we are seeing at this point of time. In BTC, liquidation 1 is at this zone and next liquidation is at this zone. This zone people have considered as a strong resistance area. Okay. Now in BTC at the bottom 86,290. 86,290 somewhere here, right? 200 okay, 280, 290, this zone. So this is a kind of area where liquidation is there. In case the market moves towards the downside here, for the sake of liquidity, little bit momentum towards the upside we can expect. Rohan sir, welcome to the live stream. Kumar sir, Shrisha, welcome. Shreyas, welcome sir, welcome everyone. So in the comment section, just let me know what is your view also about the market, right? Now BTC is in such a range where this zone is important. So this zone, how it behaves, we have to wait and see. If kind of any breakdown or anything as such, with the time right now is 8 o'clock, and if you see Dow Jones at this point of time, Dow Jones still flat opening, S&P 500, Nasdaq, still we need to get the data. So some support zone also are marked here. We'll see how the zone behaves in the market. ETH, someone was asking, ETH is in such a range where here selling has happened, retest. Here a bit of correction can happen, but looking at market continuously being bullish for 2 days, in case on top also liquidity is there, for the sake of it, if it tries to move up, little bit problem can be created. So we have to wait and then only look into opportunities. In Soul, this is the support zone which I have marked, and if you see a trend line I have marked here, and here we'll see if this comes like a proper trend line. If market gives a breakdown, support zone can act as main support. From here market can reverse. So all in all, market at this point of time from 2 o'clock, continuously lower high, lower low formation it is doing. But this zone, how it behaves is important. This zone, current zone, how it behaves is important. Seems like overall bearish only. Okay. Bearish was there, traders, bearish was there before, and now little bit pickup market has done. So little bit we need to be focusing both the sides. Certain levels we have marked and kept. Based on those levels, kind of we'll be ready in case there is any opportunity we can try. Initial 5 minutes and all, sudden spike towards the upside, downside if it comes. This is a nice zone actually, okay, to look for bullish trade, but market has become sideways. After that, opening level means sudden spike towards the downside or upside, both the side is possible. So when chances is looking like 50-50%, things like that, little bit we will be careful. I talk about ETH, I've spoken already. In ETH and all, certain levels we have marked. Upper zone, there is that area. lower zone still space is there for market to move, but here one dip was there, no? Here buying. Again here any reversal setup, anything we get means, for example, this trend line. This trend line is acting as resistance. Market has given a breakout. After breakout, this zone can, I'll show it here. This zone might act as support, giving a breakdown here. From here, one reversal will come means we'll end up in trap, right? Taking bearish trade. So view kind of neutral we will keep. Let's not forcefully jump into any trade. If we get an opportunity, fine. If not, no. Go short on gold. I don't trade gold. Seems like here also one trend line is there in BTC. This trend line is acting as a resistance area. Okay, resistance, resistance, resistance. Here trend line support, but it's kind of holding on to the zone. This one I marked on a 15 minutes time frame chart. Indecision is there, so we will wait. Once we get any opportunity, we can try. Zone is there, interesting zone. Immediate this support is there. ETH has space to move till here. What level is this for ETH? It's kind of breaking 382 level, ETH. US market, let's see if we got the data. Let me see S&P 500 directly. As of now, flat opening, it is moving a bit towards the upside, and at the upper zone big selling has happened. So that was that news based situation, right, where people were saying there is not going to be any kind of rate cut and things like that. Based on that, market corrected, Nvidia and all corrected that time, but slowly US market is kind of picking up. While US market is slightly holding on, in crypto market little bit, if it decides, okay, for example, let me show you. I marked this zone and kept right, this zone support. If market comes off to this support, taking a bearish trade with small stop loss, if we get the moment, it will be a good target zone for us. So what we can try to do right now is kind of consolidation is there. We will wait. I'm switching to 1 minute time frame right now, so just we'll focus. How to read heat map? See, every time people ask, every live I am saying that only. You see yesterday's live, you will get to know. Pressure is there, traders here. Here this zone, if I consider a short trade right here, stop loss keeping 300 points, maybe I can try to target up to this zone where liquidity is there. So that opportunity is there. We just need to see, hopefully there doesn't come any wick or anything which takes out the stop loss at the upper level. That we have to focus and see. The zone could have been a better pullback area. Trend line breakdown, cancel. Trend line breakdown, retest, after retest. If market doesn't break that upper zone, maybe we can little bit try bearish trade. Let's see if we get any confirmation. I'm ready with placing the order, so little bit I'll place this order. Let me see, there's not this holding is there, no, sideways. That is a bit of problem. If I don't take, I will miss out also. Nasdaq is opening, that one is flat opening. If it moves up also, how much movement can it do? Like yesterday's big movement, little bit doubtful itself. It's a good area actually. I want to take an order here, but consolidation is there. One thing I'm waiting. How was your day in Indian market? It's fine. Nothing to boast about. I've seen better days. How was your Indian market? How was it for you? 17th, like superb, sir. Thank you. Okay, BTC only right now I'm seeing, but Ethereum, with the zone, this buyer is here. Here it is holding. Here seller is there. Any pullback in correction means I will end up in trap. This one, correction, pullback. Here also it's kind of holding. Fine, we can try. What do you say, traders? We take off bearish trade here, target up to this liquidation zone. Risk reward is 1:2. Consolidation. 9:30 AM strategy closed with 5 points today, but it went to 20 points SL and went to my target side. It went to your target side. Happens. Okay, we'll place one order here. Market is kind of in this zone. I've taken the trade. Hopefully the zone it has tested many times. If this is a zone where market can correct, no, again it will be difficult if we don't enter, right? So that one issue is there. Too long market has to not hold this zone. It has to break. Not understanding this. Let's see how this goes. No, I'm just concentrating on this seller. This seller did not allow. He tried to push once. Again, correction. So this zone considering as support, if people would have entered, the stop loss will be at the bottom. And then liquidation, I have looked at it. It is here. So for the sake of liquidity, if market moves down, a good moment I can capture. Right. So that's the idea. Why you are entering with breakdown, please share the reason why today this trade. See, now there are two areas. Okay, now I was thinking if market here, this buyer is there, no, this buyer, he tried once. Okay, he failed to re-enter. Again he tried, he failed. Again he tried. Again they're making him fail. That means what is the situation? The seller who's on top, he is strong. If that person is strong, maybe he will try to keep the market at the lower end. And also if you see this liquidation heat map, what you call here, In BTC it is near 86,290, right? So 86,290, if market goes right for the sake of liquidity grab, then bigger movement I will be able to capture. So these are the basic logic. How many of you entered this trade with me? Let me know. Now sometimes what will happen is market give a breakdown here, right? Here one breakdown, here one breakdown. So to trap people who entered here recently, we entered here, little bit momentum it can do. That is why my stop loss I have not changed. I've just left it as it is, because a pullback, anything comes later, market corrects means I need to hold on to the trade. Okay, that is my logic of not trailing the stop loss or anything. You guys can trail, you can do what you prefer to do, but what and all I follow, if I tell you in the future when you trade, it will be useful for you, right? Oh, it was decent Indian market for you, Virender. Now BTC here it is falling, that is fine, but my support zone, what is there, is here. Sorry, support zone for BTC is here, 86,000. So up to that zone, now I can reduce my stop loss, right? Reduce my stop loss, less risk. Can I increase my target? That will be my next focus. 80% target done. Now risk more reducing, because here if any pullback would have come, I wouldn't have trailed, but market showed continuation means I'll go as per that. First I was in red morning. Okay. Pressure is nicely coming towards the downside, and now this thing I have to switch to 15 minutes to see overall what can happen. Right. 100. Another, where I kept my target only for little bit target also I'm extending. If we get the moment, good, no? So this was the initial trading plan to book 260. Now I'm thinking, okay, can we book 360, something like that. Risk is just $22. So if it reverses, hit my stop loss, I will not make this $200. That's left to the market. You want to book, you book, that's up to you. 3 p.m. made decent. Okay, why hold? Why are you holding? There's no requirement to hold. No. Somewhat weird market is acting here. So if you consider yourself as safe trader, little bit you can book now. I'm not booking. I'll just see what will happen. For $20 risk, what is that? No risk. Trend line come from left. Trend line come from left. What? This trend line. This trend line. Something is there. That's fine. Now our target one is done. This is one area I said liquidation is there. You guys can book. No, for you guys, this is the perfect area to close, right? For me, little more movement if I get, I'll be happy. That's it. I want logic. You have trade this trade because I checked. See, everything is not Fibonacci levels. Everything is not this one. Psychology also, I'm in this market for so many years. I've already told that. So here target reached. Okay, who wants to exit, you can exit. Rest, you want to hold until the next target, you can do it, but for safe traders you can book, is my suggestion. Target 86,100. See, I just 5 minutes back I have told, okay, here seller has pushed the market downside, and again if you see at what level the seller pushed here, right? Again at what level he pushed the market? Near this retest zone, you can see, right? So that is the thing. Now no need to take too much risk. Get your stop loss here, extend the target, don't hit my target please. Okay, I have extended the target little more, but this is a safe zone, okay, for you guys to exit. Already that target, second target also done. Extra little bit, any push I can do, I am seeing, that's it, nothing else. Because if sellers are strong, no, we can capture more moment. Another 25 seconds, I'll wait for this. Minimum $300 we will take, or else we will make 450, 420, 430. Here pullback can come, so too much, fine. $340, $350. I have exited traders. How many of you took this trade? How many people, how much you booked? Let me know. You are not here just to sell course and referrals. We can make it out. All the best for your future. Course. When is the last time I spoke about my course? Anyways, this one, the thing is, even I'm getting used to how much time I've spent in Indian market. Slowly in crypto market also, one alternate platform I'm seeing there, all the levels I'm seeing, I'm spending time to learn the concept. Whatever concept in Indian market I follow, exactly if I follow here, little bit issues I was facing. So over a period of time I'm trying to fine tune. I've made certain corrections, and all those corrections and all I've thought it in the community group, crypto community group, right? Where is it? Here in the group I've shared. You want to watch, you can watch. Good, we exited. Now pullback also can come, correction also can come. We'll wait for the next setup. ETH, see here, I gave you guys support. Who's there in crypto group, they know this is the support. So if I had seen the support at the bottom more, I would have trailed, little more I would have trailed. Big fan of your 9:30 AM nifty option strategy, sir. Good, thanks, good night, sir. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, didn't take the trade, came a bit late. Okay, all right. Now this trend line market corrected, retested. Now we have to see the zone, right? This is a crucial zone here. As long as market doesn't break the zone, we will not be looking at bearish trade. Seller is strong. If you want to go selling, let market give a correction and move towards the downside, then you can see. Without that, randomly we cannot take. Next setup here. If BTC ETH has come almost to this support zone. This one also, everything is at support. BTC again, 350 points we have to give. Let market prove that the support is a strong zone. Then any trend line breakouts, things like that we can try. Saravana Kumar sir, now you see, you were asking, no? BTC, nice correction, right? What zone it is right now? As per the strategy, what we have thought, it is somewhat near the buying zone. So that is why sell trade also to a certain extent I closed. But in Delta Exchange, I had not marked the support rate, or else exactly near the support I would have closed off. Following your live session few days, but must say you have got some skills. Thank you, sir. No, generally people do, but you are not. That's the best part. Okay, thank you. I booked 86,200. Okay, good, sir. Now we will see one more any setup. Market is there near buyer zone, and if I go to liquidation heat map, someone was asking, no, I have not refreshed the page. You can see 86,300. That was the zone, right, which was in highlighted in yellow. So that means their liquidity is there. For the sake of liquidity, market would have come. Now let me refresh this. Now here liquidity was there, market came for it, it has taken. So no more liquidity at the bottom. That is first thing. Second part is here, the zone is my supporting area. One more thing is here, this person, right, this people who push the market towards the upside, every pullback they would have booked some here, this. Now here, if market comes to previous low 85,500, that zone, many people will book profit or they will enter near the support, and if market moves, they will not get better entry. So before reaching this zone, because or when market comes to the support, let me enter, some people will think. Okay, or if market goes below this zone, I'll take bearish trade, people will think. But before reaching that zone, where this person can enter is somewhere here. That is why little bit bullishness I'm having in the market. But anyways, we have to look at US market condition, S&P 500 and all, a bit of correction here. So S&P 500 can be I'm just trying to analyze. This zone, in case S&P 500 comes down, the zone can act as support. But from the upper level, if market is correcting, people would enter bullish trade. To trap them, maybe if it moves also, can move up to here. The zone is almost near this previous resistance zone. We need to see how it behaves. If it moves up, it will move. Nasdaq continuous correction. Nasdaq, if it falls, it can come to maybe here up to this zone, and after breaking here one correction and later breakdown. Sometimes what it will happen is it will move down, give a breakdown here, then it will recover. So this zone, within this zone, how it behaves is important. And one more area is let me see 1 hour time frame. Upper zone can be this area. So this is the lower end. Here if it gives any breakdown, let's say for example, okay, if market is correcting here, we draw the Fibonacci level. Here it's coming somewhere near 618 also. Usually some people would consider 0.618 level as strong reversal area, right? So those things are there. I told you, right? This zone, buyer zone. Okay. Just now I closed the trade here again. Why? Explaining all the concept only the moment came. We'll see, traders, everything is respecting the support as of now. I'm not taken any trade. A little bit pullback or something like that I will try to consider. Okay, I'll turn off the screen for just 2 minutes. Thank you for assistance. So you're welcome. See, some of you who's watching the live stream in portrait mode, right? In shorts mode, that way, you come to the main live stream. In that, you can see my entry, exit, stop loss, everything you can see. Then things will be more clean, convenient for you guys, right? So I'll share that link. Who's there? Because sometimes I don't see the message. What is there in this one? Clear. What does the screen look small? Why does the screen look small? Hello brother, minimum कितने से स्टार्ट कर प्लीज बताइए कितना डॉलर्स हो. आई एम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान सर. क्रिप्टो मार्केट इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट आप ट्राई कर दीजिए 30,000 के साथ. मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, आप समझ ले तो ठीक है. आप ट्राई करो 30,000 रिस्क कैपेसिटी के साथ. 30,000 में डेली मैक्सिमम 1,000 रुपीज़ रिस्क. ठीक है, 1,000 रुपीज़ रिस्क ले लीजिए और मैक्सिमम उस रिस्क के लिए रिवॉर्ड 2,000 3,000 कर दीजिए. ठीक है, वैसा आप करके कितना समय इस मार्केट में रह सकते वो अच्छा, वो ठीक है. ओके, मुझे सिर्फ इतना हिंदी पता है, समझ हुआ तो ठीक है. ब्रो आप कितना बजे लाइव आते हैं? 8 o'clock. Correction, pullback, something interesting if market gives. Let's see. The zone, depreciation zone, we'll get it a little here. We'll see how it behaves near. Sorry, my mistake. this market does, we have to wait and see. It is near the support zone only, but here if I enter, will it give a spike? Because every upside move they're trying to put pressure. This is a very nice zone to take a trade with small risk, but still we will wait, because entire support zone it is not tested. Here also, here almost it's coming to test. Here also, here. Okay, nice range. BTC little bit confusion is there in BTC. If it can hold on to this range, it will be good. We'll see what happens. You want to purchase all in one bundle, but you already have account with Delta Exchange. You enroll to all in one bundle if you want, and then leave us a message to the number that you are seeing on the screen. Where are you from? I'm from Bangalore. The zone is kind of tempting traders to take bullish trade. Very interesting area. Risk will be very small. Returns might be a bit big. I was saying here, no? Small risk, bigger return. Like this I was thinking about. This setup over, okay? We will just close this. We booked profit also. Now this setup, will it work? We will focus and try to analyze. Zone is there. The zone is there. So I'm taking a small bet here. If this works out, it will be good. I'll place a buy order. Selling pressure is there, no? That is one concern I have. So little bit up to this zone only it can move and correct off, like that issues can come. That is one reason I'm having in mind. But 1 second, let me look into all the thing. BTC is near support zone. ETH is near support zone. This one also is holding the support zone. Here if Sol holds this zone and moves up, right, then one bullish moment can come. Here the selling pressure is my concern, but what to do? If we want the moment with small stop loss, we have to take, right? So here let's not, initially we will try one target. We'll place an order here. I've taken bullish trade, and for this trade I'll try to reduce the risk also. Hopefully in this, where is it? Sorry, my bad. Partially whatever profits I made from that only I'll be taking the risk. So what happened? Refreshed. Okay, trail, target. I'll place copy paste here. If market comes here, right, this zone, if you're a safe trader you can book, okay? If market comes here, that time from my end what I will do, I'll reduce my risk. You want to book at that zone means there you can book also. Little bit trail. The more you try to reach, it's reached this zone. If you're safe trader, you have to book now, okay, near this zone. If I get the move, fine. If I don't get the move also, for me, less risk only in this trade. I will take that risk and I will close. Safe traders booking zone this is. Little bit here only I should have tried. My bad. I was looking at everything for multiple confirmation. Or else 80% target would have been reached here. I would have kept my target something. Please add me in the channel. I have taken 2 trades and shared the screenshot. Just now, sir. Okay, today's live stream is done. We will add you by tomorrow morning. You join. See, this is safe traders profit booking zone. You want to book here, you book. Okay, that's your choice. From my end, I'll keep reducing my risk and going. I cannot book profit here. So we will see what happens. Definitely pressure zone. Oh, good. Definitely pressure zone, but good. Double top situation. Who wants to book? Book. Why I say all this is because I don't know what kind of trader you are. Okay, you might be a safe trader, you might be a different kind of mindset trader. That you should decide. From my end, I'm making the risk 0. I have extended my target as well. Here you can book, right? Who wants to book? From my end, risk in this trade is $10. For $10 risk, I'm targeting $280. This one is problem area. I've told who wants to book here. I extended the target actually. It's coming too harsh, right? Target reached successfully. Target reached. I extended the target little more. Are you closing live? To see traders, this what is happening here. See here, that seller again is trying to push the market down. If he tries to push, cost to cost, I will exit. In case this buyer is strong, he will take it up to this zone. So I'm in between, not here, not there. That's why here I asked to book, here I asked you to book. Pressure this candle. As long as it breaks, what can we do? This one is becoming indecision situation. Now, as long as this level breaks, nothing can be said. Whatever happens, I'm ready to accept. Okay. If you're not ready to accept, you'll be in profit, you book off. Pressure, seller pressure. Definitely seller pressure is there here. If he's not giving up, market is not going up, it's going to come down for retest. So you want to book means partially what you want to book, you book. But now market has get support, it would hit 90k. It might bottom seller zone, it has taken, but it has to survive this area, right? This buyer zone, it has to survive. If it comes for a pullback and later if it reverses also, partially lose something. Here breakout, anyone entered, market removed them. Now it has to decide if it wants to move up or it has to listen to the seller and move towards the downside. Anything can happen. Here how much confidence I have, here my confidence is low, so only ask you guys to book it. How can be someone so good? MashaAllah. But now market has got support. We'll see what US market also has decided to do, right? It's negative. I'll refresh, it's kind of negative. Here it will kind of going along with market's trend. So that's what it's trying to do. Now this trade, one thing, okay, maybe 0.618 level is there, that is acting as support. From here, if it moves up, fine. If it goes lower than that, I don't want to take more risk here. 0.618 is there. If it acts, let it act, or else I will close. Okay, we'll see. That's the plan right now. Will you share the trade details that you take in private group? When I take trades in, I will share that in the private group. Whatever is the status also, I will let you know. For example, yesterday late I took one trade. These and all support resistance. This bearish trade I took, market little bit it went as per my view, but later hit the stop loss, so I took the stop loss. 618 zone it held. Now if it recovers, fine. If not, no. See, sometimes I use Fibonacci as a reference point. Now in this trade, what I said, from recent swing low to swing high, if I draw 618 level, market is holding, we are kind of okay if market holds on to that zone. From upper level again they put pressure. They are putting pressure from this zone. So if they put pressure, now battle is happening between buyers and sellers. Who wants to, buyers win, market will reach my target. If sellers win, market will go break the zone and come here. And here again one buying pressure can come. So what we can do, little bit more risk from our end, we will reduce. Now either $10 profit or we will make $280 profit. What this market decides, I don't know. Only certain areas where I'm comfortable with, I'm okay. Where I'm not comfortable with, what to say, I have to wait only and see what market decides to do. In Indian market, I will share my view. It's correcting. This zone, it has to break at least this zone. Only then some kind of confidence. Today, actually, I have to attend a birthday party. Cake cutting celebration was around 8 o'clock, but I didn't want it to miss the live. So I came live after finishing this. Quickly, I have to go for that. So maybe after this trade, I might not take one more trade. We will see what happens. That's it. Exactly, here I've kept $10 profit. That's not required. I'll make stop loss 0 only. Right? $1 risk, $280 profit. If I get fine, if not, not fine. It's coming down. Fine. No profit, no loss. Safe traders has to book here. I extended the target. So target did not reach. See, why I extended the target, main reason is because I know I can capture 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Once my risk is reduced, right? Every day maybe I'll be prepared to lose 30,000, 35,000 rupees. So that risk limit in crypto, because I'm in a learning stage now. So if that is the case, then okay. If I'm not losing that net to net, I'm profitable today. I'm okay with that. Now selling pressure is there. One attempt. One attempt. Chance is there. This attempt chance is there. Small stop loss, but I don't want to, because I can't stay in this market right now. Appreciate your dedication, sir. Keep doing. All right, thank you. This one zone traders, the zone, any bullishness can come. That's okay. I'm not right now in that mood of taking a trade. Stop loss 90 points, target. Because why I'm not taking also, I will say. This zone here, if it have got, no, like I said earlier, that's a very, very good zone. Now here, this buyer might attempt to re-enter. So he might try, okay? He might try to push. Now the seller who's here and here, no? Forget about the seller. The seller will come later. This seller who's there, here he will try to push. That is when again higher lows, higher highs. Then it will become sideways, downside movement, upside movement. Like this confusion will happen. In that confusion stage, I don't know if I have to sit in the trade for 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Like I said, I already have to go, right? So that is why here I'm not taking any trade. A risk reward was good. If I had time, initial setup, if I would have got, I would have taken this. And one more reason also is our base zone is as of now strong. In ETH base zone is as of now strong. So, and some people who's taken trade along with me also, you can protect your profits also, right? Better trades, better opportunity when we have, we will take. It's a decent, but this is will be, what to say, okay, 90 points, right? This 90 points is not at all an issue for me, right? Because if I capture, I'll capture 400, 450 points. In that mindset, I would have taken, and it would have been a partially from my profits, what I made in the first trade, I would have given, right? That is what is about the setup. Anyways, you want to take, you will see what is the stop loss, what is the target, you can decide. If you want to avoid, you avoid this. I need to go out now. Thank you everyone for participating. Hopefully little bit from my end uh, you learned something new from me today. If let it be liquidation zone or my trade psychology, same psychology only I use for Indian market. So anything you learned from me, then support the channel by liking the video. It will motivate me also to make regular reply videos. सर आपका ब्रोकर कौन है? मेरा ब्रोकर डेल्टा एक्सचेंज है. IBTC सेल होना चाहिए अभी. हाँ, इधर दिस इज अ बेस. इस बेस में मार्केट बाय ऑन डिप जा सकता है, पोटेंशियल है तो इधर तक जा सकता है. ठीक है, सो उसके बाद करेक्शन हो सकता है मार्केट पे. अभी तो ये जोन है इम्पोर्टेंट जोन. अभी बेरिश ट्रेड सोचना मत, इज माई सजेशन. बेरिश सोचना भी, लेट्स से इधर जाने के बाद मार्केट करेक्शन हुआ तो स्टॉप लॉस हियर, टारगेट बॉटम, वैसा आप सोच सकते हैं. अभी नहीं, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये बायर्स टेरिटरी है. ओके, मेरा हिंदी समझ आया तो ठीक है. एट व्हाट टाइम टुमारो सर? टाइम टुमारो फॉर व्हाट यू आर आस्किंग, आई एम नॉट श्योर. Tomorrow I'll come live 8 o'clock. Okay, we'll meet there. I don't know anyone took this trade or not. It's up to you. Fine, I have to go somewhere, traders. I'll see you after some time, or I'll see you tomorrow morning. Thank you for participating in the live stream. Now whoever entered this trade, make a risk 0. Okay, because one chance is there. From here it can correct. Okay, or else it will give the target. If your risk is 0, less pressure for you in the market, right? So that is the thing. Okay, thank you for participating. Live will be tomorrow at 8 o'clock. If you're interested, you can participate. Okay, let's learn together, traders. Let's earn together. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.